my dear students. So hope you all are doing great. So after the unit test, right? Yes. So today let's come to the class. Let's start our class. Okay, are you all ready, children? Yes. So today we are going to learn a new lesson, Land of Ants. Okay, in this lesson we are going to deal with many festivals which we are celebrating in Kerala, and also many games which is associated with Kerala, that is called folk games, and many art forms of Kerala. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this lesson. So today I am going to discuss about the important festivals we celebrate in Kerala and what all we do on that day, and the folk games and festivals as I told you earlier. So Onam, all knows about Onam. It is our national festival, right? Yes. You can see the picture from your textbook that, yes, this is a picture of a school, and we know that during the Onam celebration, what all we do in the school, children? Yes, we will decorate the school, right? Yes, we will arrange Pookalam, Thiruvathirakkali will be there, right? Ona Sadhya will be there. All the children will sit together and have Ona Sadhya. Then there will be many cultural programs like Vadamvali, that is tug of war. Yes, then many games associated with Onam. So there are many such cultural programs happening in this Onam during our school days, right? Yes. But this year we couldn't celebrate, right, children? Yes, we have to be safe ourselves, that's why. So Onam, as you know that it is the national festival of Kerala. Okay? So during the Onam time, the people from different parts of the countries come to their home to celebrate together. Yes, and Onam is celebrated by all the people. There is no discrimination, there is no religion, caste, nothing. Every people all over Kerala celebrate Onam. They all sit together. So it is a festival of togetherness. Okay, we call Onam as a festival of togetherness because we all celebrate Onam, all will sit together, we will get new dress. Onam Kodi, we will get new dress on that day, we will play many games on that day, there will be Thiruvathirakkali by the woman, right? And all the family members will sit together and have Ona Sadhya. Okay, and also there are many other festivals in Kerala like Eid, Christmas, then Navaratri, Diwali. So this all is according to the religion they celebrate. But Onam, there is no religion, nothing. All the people of Kerala celebrate Onam. You know that during Onam day, the King Mahabali, who ruled our Kerala in olden days, there is a belief that he used to come to see his people on this Onam day. So it is a belief, children. Okay? So that is about the festival of Onam. Now we will come to folk games. You know, games which is having a traditional touch, that is which is having a touch of Kerala, is called folk games. There are many folk games which is played in Kerala. Pulikkali, all might be knowing that, right? Pulikkali. Then many are there, tug of war, that is Vadamvali. Okay? Yes, then Irkilakali. Yes, then Onathallu with the pillows and all, they will fight each other and see what it is. Lahori. Children, Lahori is a game in which we will arrange small piece and big piece of slabs, one above the another. It is given in your textbook how it is played. Okay, one above the another, we will arrange the slab. Okay, and a circle will be drawn at a distance, and from there that person must throw the ball and hit it down. And the opposite person, the opposite teams, they will try to put the slab. Okay, 3 chances will be given to throw the ball. If the opposite team had caught the ball, that person will be out. Who is throwing the ball will be out. So like that, such game it is. Then playing with marbles. Okay, Kuttiin Kola. Okay, Kakuli. These all are the many folk games which is played in Kerala. And we also make many things out of palm leaves. We will make watch, we will make whistle, we will make ball, various types of toys, birds, many things we will make out of coconut palm leaf. Okay? Yes. Now talking about the festivals of Kerala. Do you know which is the main festival of Kerala? Thrissur Pooram, right? Yes, all might be knowing that even the foreigners from different places comes and see this great festival because it is very beautiful. The elephants are arranged in row and there will be Kodamatam, right? Yes, different colorful umbrellas can be seen. So it's a very beautiful night with firecrackers and all. So it is also an attraction for the foreigners. So these are the main festivals which is happening in Kerala. Okay? Yes. So this is about today's class. So we learned about what is Onam, how Onam is celebrated. Okay, it is the festival of togetherness. Then we learned about the folk games, right? Many folk games we learned. Then we learned about what all things we can make using a coconut palm leaf. We can make watch, whistle, ball, toy. Okay, so many things we can make out of it. Clear? And we studied about Thrissur Pooram. It is the main festival. It attracts every foreigners, each and every corner of the people, and there will be a lot of crowd during this festival season. So this is all about today's lesson. Hope you all have understood. Bye children.